guys. So it's been a rough week. It's been a rough week, but I'm just trying to get back on track. Still sounds stuffy, so ignore that, please. I think the biggest telltale when I'm not okay is my car, because normally my car is like spick and span. You'd think a guy drives it because guys don't keep their car with a lot of things, but females kind of do. So I think a telltale is when my car gets a bit cluttered. So I am taking the morning to clean out my car, the trunk, because it has like a lot of stuff that I've just been putting in it, and it has gotten out of hand once again. I also wanted to clean out my closet. Celebrity closet is coming up, and I've realized that I don't wear the things. I don't wear like a lot of things in my closet. I'm just like, oh, why did I buy it and put it down? I think at the time I was like, yeah man, I'm gonna wear this here, and but I just never got around to do it. So I'm gonna clean that out today and at least give it to Celebrity Closet, and whatever else I'll just give to Salvation Army for the Christmas season. It's gotta go. It's gotta go. It doesn't make sense to have so much clothes in my closet and I don't wear it. So I'm gonna finish cleaning up in here. I'm almost done, and then I'm going to clean up my closet. Oh, it's now, wow, it's 6:44. I have less time now. I don't know about you, but don't you just hate it when you just have a pile of clothes that you don't wear, and then when you're looking for something, you still can't find anything to wear? Well, while I was cleaning out my car, I said, let's just do a clothes haul and clean out all of that for the Christmas. I know that Celebrity Closet normally asks for donations, as well as Salvation Army, which is like an all year round thing. So I said, yeah, today is the day that I'm going to be taking out all the clothes that I don't wear, I bought and did not wear at all, and the year has literally passed and I'm still in the same predicament. So here is me taking out every single thing that I do not wear. I really like that shirt, so I'm gonna keep it. But most of the stuff, I said, you know what, I have not worn it, or I only wear it once, and maybe chances are I might not find another place to wear it at or another event to wear it, so let's just give it away. Somebody is gonna love these pieces, somebody's gonna want these pieces to wear, or maybe they'll reach in the same predicament as me. But as far as I'm concerned, I am making the steps to give them away to somebody else that will find use for it. I loved most of these clothes, I'm not gonna lie, and when I saw it on the rack, I said I had to have it because I'm going to wear it sometime. But life happens, and you put on a little bit of weight, or you just say, yeah, you really don't have a place to wear it. So let's just give it away because it's not serving me anymore, or it never served me at all. So I really think that this is level upgrade in adulthood, because your girl has given away 3 bags of clothes. That's wild.